Let's transform one car into another car using geometry nodes in Blender. First, import both of your car models. Make sure each car is made up of multiple objects and their pivot points are connected properly. Also, keep each car model inside its own collection and then hide both collections. Now add a plane, go to the geometry nodes and click on new. Drag your first car collection into the node editor, delete the default input node and connect the collection info to the output and enable separate children. Next, add a scale instant node before the output. Now add a mix color node and connect it to the scale input. Select both the mix color and scale nodes, then press Ctrl G to group them. Inside the group, set color A to bright white, connect the factor to the group input and color B to a new socket. Press N, go to the group sockets, rename it to the scale and set its type to vector. Now add a translate instant node and place it before the output. Add another mix color node and connect it to the translation input. Set color A to black and color B to a new socket. Connect the factor again to the same input, rename this new socket to a translate and set its type to vector. Press tab to exit the group. Next, add a position node. Now in the viewport, add an empty object. This will control the transformation. Drag the empty into the geometry nodes editor. Add a vector mass node. Set it to subtract. Connect the position to the first input and the empty location to the second. Now add another vector mass. Set it to divide and connect it to the previous one. Then add a separate XYZ node and connect the divide result to it. Take Y output and connect it to the factor input of the group node. Now duplicate the group node. Drag the second car collection into the editor and enable separate children again. Connect this new collection to the second group. To reverse the effect, add a map range node. Connect the same Y value to input and set two